Hello students, good morning to all. Today I will explain double fertilization in flowering plants angiospermic plants. In previous lecture I have explained pollen pistil interaction. Student, after pollination and pollen pistil interaction, if pollen grain germinate, a pollen tube grows down the style toward the ovary. After germination of pollen tube discharge two sperm or two male gamete into the female gametophyte embryo sac within an ovule. One sperm या male gamete fertilize the egg या female gamete, forming the zygote. This process known as syngamy. The other male gamete या sperm combine with two polar nuclei of embryo sac's large central cell, forming a triploid cell. This is called the triple fission. After triple fission, triploid cell is formed that develop into nutritive tissue called endosperm. So student, syngamy plus triploid fission equals to double fertilization. Now we can understand the double fertilization in another diagrams. This is a carpel, a pistil. Here pollen grain are transferred, and after pollen pistil interaction, pollen tube germinate and reach to the ovary. Then pollen tube contain two haploid cell, generative cell and tube cell. The generative cell divide mitotically, producing two haploid male gametes या sperm cells. The synergid breakdown, one sperm nucleus unite with two polar nuclei to form triploid nucleus, a triploid cell. This is called the triple fission, and triploid nucleus develop into endosperm. Other sperm nucleus fertilize the egg, forming the zygote. This process known as syngamy. Here zygote develop into embryo after fertilization. Now I summarize the double fertilization. After entering one of the synergids, the pollen tube releases two male gametes into the cytoplasm of synergids. First syngamy takes place. One of the male gamete fused with egg cell to form diploid zygote. Two polar nuclei of central cell fused to form diploid secondary nucleus. Now second is triple fission takes place. The second male gamete fused with secondary nucleus to form triploid primary endosperm nucleus. Since two types of fission, syngamy and triple fission takes place in the embryo sac, this phenomenon is called double fertilization. The central cell after triple fission become primary endosperm cell and develop into the endosperm. Then zygote develop into an embryo. In this way, double fertilization takes place and two new things are formed, endosperm and embryo. Now I am going to explain post fertilization events. Post fertilization events mean the events or changes which takes place in flowering plants after fertilization is known as post fertilization events. Strength after fertilization, zygote develop into embryo, triploid endosperm nucleus become endosperm. Third, floral parts such as sepal, petals, and stamen fall off after drying. Ovary develop into fruit, and ovule develop into seed inside the ovary, a fruit. These changes takes place after fertilization.